Barev! És Sushi, nem Hayasa. Hello, I'm Sushi from Hayasa. In this video, we're going to take a dive and learn to count from 1 to 10. Let's get started. 1 in Armenian will be mek. It's pretty simple. Mek. 2 will be yerku. Yerku. 3 will be, let me show with my hands also. 3 will be yerek. 4 will be chors. And 5 will be hing. Hing. Mek, yerkus, yerek, chors, hing. Let's move on. 6 in Armenian will be vets. Vets. 7 in Armenian will be yot. 8 will be ut. Then we have 9, which is in. And the last one, 10, will be tasa. And one good news for you, 0 in Armenian is 0. So here you don't have much to memorize. Alright, let's summarize whatever we have learned today. Mek, yerku, yerek, chors, hing, vets, yot, ut, in, tasa. That's it. Now we're going to have an exercise. I'm going to show you my fingers. And you're supposed to tell me the number, as you already know the numbers. Yes, I know that you've got it correct. Chors. Yerku. My students are having trouble with learning the difference between 2 and 3. That's why I will focus on them. Yerku. And what's the next one? Yes, that's true. That's yerek. In. Hing. Yes, good job. I'm happy that now you know the numbers. You can count from 1 to 10. That was it for this video. In my next video lesson, you are going to learn to count from 11 to 100. If you enjoyed learning Armenian with me, find my contact information in the description below. Contact me and we can schedule our first free trial lesson. Thank you very much for watching the video. It was Sushi from Hayasa, and see you next time. Ajoritun!